Did you know that 1 in 10 people will experience plantar fasciitis pain in their lifetime? Well, in this video, I will be demonstrating how to massage the muscles of the calf and foot to bring some much needed relief. So approximately 10% of the United States population experiences bouts of heel pain, which results in an astonishing 1 million visits per year to medical professionals for treatment of these types of pain symptoms. Right now, I am working on the calf first to treat foot pain and calf pain, specifically plantar fasciitis here, and I like to do broad to specific, so I'm using my forearms a lot, really getting a broad tool in there to get maximum blood flow and stretching and myofascial work. And now as I'm focusing on the plantar fascia here, just with a broad stroke, this technique is found in Lomi Lomi massage. And it's just a nice, fun, creative way to spread out and warm up that tissue on the bottom of the foot. And now moving the leg through range of motion. Again, my main tool is my forearm here, just doing some nice stretch and massaging here with the forearm as the main tool. All the way through the toes. And now, same position, just turned slightly differently. I'm clasping the heel and Achilles tendon with my hands, and now beginning some more specific work with stripping through the gastrocnemius and the soleus. Now when the leg is up in this position, it really allows the gastrocnemius and the soleus to be very relaxed. You can really feel that the muscles relax as you're doing these massage techniques, and it's just a more effective way to get into them. And I just really like to do more broad strokes here again. Again, the goal is more warming up the tissues and really getting some movement through there, all the way from the Achilles tendon down into the gastrocnemius and soleus towards the knee. Now some nice jostling. This is just a really effective way to loosen up the calf, just getting everything moving there. This kind of jostling can be very effective to open up and release adhesions that may be sticking. And now as you're clasping the heel and the Achilles tendon while putting the foot through some range of motion, you can really get a good feel of any adhesions and tighter areas that might need some more specific focused work and releasing. Plantar fascia is a thick connective tissue which supports the arch on the bottom of your foot. It runs from the tuberosity of the calcaneus, the heel bone, forward to the heads of the metatarsal bones. And plantar fasciitis creates stabbing pain at the heel or the bottom of your foot. The pain is normally at its worst when you first wake up in the morning, when you take your first steps out of bed. And that is a telltale sign that you're dealing with some sort of plantar fasciitis issue, if that is you. So working with the thumbs right into the origin side of the plantar fascia on the calcaneus there, and moving that leg through range of motion is an effective way. And now some stripping. I like to go both towards the origin and towards the insertion, so this is moving up towards the origin. And now some soft fists down towards the insertion onto the phalanges and toes. And then back to more specific stripping with supported thumbs. And these jostling techniques of the tarsals I find to be necessary and highly effective. Again, getting movement through the tarsals, because the plantar fascia literally has about 5 fingers that attach to each 5 phalanges. It's just effective to really focus on separating the tarsals and getting movement through there to treat this kind of pain and dysfunction. Again, I'm working lateral to medial here, you noticed. So I started lateral and then went medial with my thumb compressions. Again, each time getting to the bottom, just getting movement through those metatarsals. And now working through each of the toes. So stripping down all the way to each of the individual phalanges. Just ending with some nice compression and stretching. Just a full range of motion stretch is a very effective way to finish up and round this short demonstration out today. I hope you can use these and find that they're very helpful in reducing pain for your clients.
Thank you so much for watching today. If you're interested in learning more ways to massage the feet, then click or tap the screen now. For more videos about massage therapy, consider subscribing today. Remember to leave any questions you have in the comment section down below. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I will see you on the next video.